Adam, thank you. Tonight, an inside look at how state and federal law enforcement brought a Columbia area fugitive to justice.
Where y'all come from?
About 10 miles that way. Our car broke down.
43-year-old Nathan Ginter was found guilty of abusing and burning his 3-year-old daughter at a Richland County trial earlier this month that he did not show up for.
And after a days-long manhunt, he was arrested in Kentucky over the weekend. Nick Neville has been covering this story for us and joins us live. So, Nick, you spoke with the U.S. Marshal Service today. What did they tell you about this investigation?
Right, so the Marshal Service taking over this investigation from Columbia Police and conducting an extensive search that spans several states over more than a week. They say that a tip from the community was crucial to his capture.
A no-show defendant and fugitive from Richland County now behind bars after running from state and federal law enforcement for more than a week. Nathan Ginter, arrested in Kentucky over the weekend, more than 400 miles from the courtroom where jurors in his absence convicted him of abusing his daughter.
The Marshal Service does what the Marshal Service does. We catch fugitives.
The Scott County Sheriff's Office releasing this body camera footage from his arrest shortly after midnight on Friday.
So what's your real name?
Nate.
Okay. You know why you're in handcuffs?
Yes.
Initially, he and Riley Pearson, an alleged accomplice, provide false names to responding deputies before their true identities were discovered.
What's y'all's names?
I'm Michael.
Michael?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
The Marshal Service Carolina Regional Fugitive Task Force deployed deputies out of state to assist in the investigation. Ginter, a former law enforcement officer, had 2 handguns and 2 rifles on him at the time of his capture.
If you will assault a 3-year-old child, that there's no telling what you could potentially do.
Investigators believe he first fled to Tennessee. Days later, they received information that he may have been in Kentucky. After a possible sighting didn't turn up anything, the pair is discovered Friday, hunched over and out of breath along a rural road after someone reported seeing 2 suspicious people.
The person that called in the tip has now assisted us in getting this guy off the street. He's now going to be held and receive the justice that the criminal justice system says he's due.
Ginter pleaded not guilty to his Kentucky charges at a bond hearing yesterday. He has a preliminary hearing set for July 2nd in Kentucky. In the meantime, he's being held at the Scott County Detention Center. I'm in the studio, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.
All right, Nick, thank you.